Good morning, Dr. Seaton. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing. And today I just want to give you a few tips that you can use today so that you're getting more new patients calling and coming in your door. So, as you can see, we are on your website, and you guys have a nice looking website. You guys are doing a lot really, really well. Um, Got a lot of information, so that's good. Um, and you definitely have some content. So the first thing I would say is that you're going to need a little bit more content on your homepage. Um, the rule of thumb is that Google likes on your homepage a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, which is 150 words for every buyer intent local keyword that you're trying to rank for. And so you do have some use of those local keywords, but you don't have enough content and repetition of those keywords. So you're going to need to add additional content and go after those buyer intent keywords, because somebody looking for chiropractic care may not know the name of your business, but they know the treatment they might be looking for, or they know they're in pain and they need to find a chiropractor. So it's going to be important that you're using the terms like Reading Chiropractic, etc. And it's great you have a different page for each of your conditions, so that's really, really important. But those pages also don't have enough content to go after those keywords. So you're definitely going to want to increase your content and work on that keyword strategy. Um, One of your top organic competitors is More Chiropractic, and they also have a nice looking website, and they have tons of content on their website. So in order to beat this competitor, you're going to have a lot more content than they do, and going after those targeted keywords. If Google doesn't actually rank you based on appearance, they have robots that are called crawlers, and they index your pages, every single page, looking at your content and keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your potential new patients. So content is key. This is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see right here, your domain rating is a 1.1 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that has 100% to do with your referring domains and backlinks. It looks like all the backlinks you have are being pushed to your homepage, which actually can hurt you. You need backlinks going to all of your pages and service pages. Um, and the fact that you have 510 backlinks and this low of a domain score says that most of your backlinks are spammy and junk, and it's actually hurting your ranking. So a lot of these really need to be disavowed, and then you need to go after better quality backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. Um, because you don't have enough content going after those keywords, you're only being indexed for 142. And so you're only getting organic traffic of about 118 people on average per month. When we look at your competitor, they also have a relatively low score of 4.4. They only have 156 backlinks. Um, so in order to beat them, you're going to need stronger backlinks. And because they have more content and more keywords, they're being indexed for more keywords. So they're getting nearly 400 people to their website every month. So content and keywords and backlinks are really, really important. Um, What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant those backlinks are to your services, the more it's going to boost you in Google. So you want to go after those high authority backlinks so that they're giving you the power to get to the first spots in Google. Um, so your content, keywords, and backlinks, they all work together. And so you need to make sure you're getting those backlinks on each of your service pages so that you are easier to find for your new patients. And the last thing I wanted to share with you is the Google Maps. So when a patient does a search, one of the first things they're going to see are ads and then this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. Now, your goal should be to be in the top 3 section because 30% of people come directly here and they won't go any further. They're either going to call you right from here or go to your website. So if you're not here, you're sending your new patients to your competition. Now, in order to get here, there's many factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, address and phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need to have a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. So if you follow these tips I've given you today, your website can be #1 in Reading, not just for the home pages, but the back page as well. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and would like help getting more patients, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.